Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become an Uber driver. So for this, first of all, you just have to download the application from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Now once you go ahead and make sure to have that particular Uber driver app, you are going to see this kind of interface. Now here what you need to do is you have to have all this information as they ask you, which is first of all your profile photo, driving license, the vehicle insurance, the registration certificate of the RC and the vehicle commercial permit. So first of all, go to your profile photo, make sure to just tap on this take photo and take your legal photo as such as a passport size photo. Then here you can go to this driving license and you have to make sure that you have the photo of driving license and then take the photo of your driving license. Similarly, repay the steps for vehicle insurance, RC and commercial permit, and then after Uber verifies the document, you will be able to become an Uber driver. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.